Hi guys! It's dinner time and this is Maria Lisa again. At yan ang aking dinner ngayon with my daughter. Chicken burger na ginawa niya. And ayan, kung gaano kasarap, sige kain po tayo. Nilagyan niya ng lettuce, yung aking chicken at mayonnaise. Ayan, kaysa kumain sa labas. Ayan, with my red wine. Sarap-sarap po. After cleaning the house, sa pagod. And yung ginawa ko dati pa nung July 30 na chicharon. Ang lutong-lutong pa rin kasi nilalagay ko sa rep niyan. At yan yung beef curry na ginawa niya. And with my chicken burger. And of course, with my red wine. So, ang sarap-sarap po na. Kain natin ng dinner. So, guys, thank you for watching. At sana nagustuhan nyo yung aking mga niluluto everyday. And bye-bye. Thank you.